question that I get asked all the time is about, are we in a housing bubble? Is it a good time to buy? Where do you think the market's heading? I was in doing business last time when the market collapsed. I was writing mortgages, and the reason that we had a huge economic downturn was because of the type of mortgages that were written at that time. A lot of people don't know this, but you could go into a bank with a 580 credit score, not provide any verification of income, no verification of assets whatsoever. They would just put on the application whatever you said that you made. They would approve you for a loan with 100% financing, and you could go out and buy a house or multiple homes. At some point, those loans defaulted and caused the market to have significant financial issues. The mortgages that are written today are vastly different. You have to actually qualify for them, providing W-2s, pay stubs, payroll records, and they're analyzed and reviewed. And like, let's say you have a $30,000 cash deposit come into your account. They're gonna ask where that came from. We have to document it. So the days of getting a mortgage back then and when that market collapsed and what we're experiencing now are vastly different. Another big point is interest rates are at record lows, and that's another reason that prices are jumping up, is because you can now get more with your money. The Federal Reserve is buying mortgage-backed securities all the time right now to stimulate rates as a way to keep them low. No different than they were handing out stimulus checks. They're buying mortgage bonds to keep rates low, to keep home buying activity at all-time high levels. And what comes with that is a feeding frenzy of the housing market. The market is going up and up in a very quick way. Do I see that the market, or do I think that the market will level out at some point? Absolutely. I was concerned about inflation for a period of time, but at this point, you got local convenience stores which are paying $18 an hour to start and offering people $2,000 and $3,000 and $4,000 sign-on bonuses. So I think our market's headed in a very good direction, and the only thing we really have to be concerned about is a war or some crazy economic disaster that could derail the economy. As always, we're here to help. Feel free to go to our website, yourpamortgage.com. All our contacts information on there. And tune in next week where we talk about the difference between a buyer's market versus a seller's market.